How to fix Instagram story camera not working on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story camera not working on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings and then go to battery. Make sure power saving mode is disabled. Maybe you'll find it like that, just disable it. And after that just turn off your Wi-Fi, then close all applications in the background and restart your phone and turn it on again, and then just try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, now all you need to do, just go to Play Store, make sure your Instagram is updated, just see if there's any update here. As you see, there is no update for me, but you can find here any update, and that's it. If that doesn't fix it, then all you need to do, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.